Hey Labret, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips I'll give you and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful. But we'll go ahead and get started. The three things we'll be going over are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and that's going to be anything you can see on your site here. It does include the words, but also the pictures and what your pictures are saved as well. And Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words worth of content on the home page of a website. Now, with a site like yours, since you all are selling products, it does work a little bit differently. So you can use just little blurbs of words to get to that content quota, but you can also use your product descriptions as well to count toward that word count. But it's also another place that you can add in keywords that people are searching for when they're looking for your services. So your website looks fantastic. My only suggestion really would be just to go through your content, maybe add a little bit more, and then look for more places where you can integrate in those keywords. That will help out a tremendous amount. So next thing we will talk about is going to be citations, and I just did a quick search here, and typically the first thing that shows up when you're searching is this section. This is called the map pack, and citations have a lot to do with that. So a citation is basically your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directory, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, things like that. So you would want to check out where your competition is being listed within those directories, and you want to grab those listings for your business. But then you want to double, triple, quadruple where you're found. So for instance, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you want to grab those 10, and then you want to add on another 20, 30, 40. That will have you completely dominating your competition in that space, but it also helps you to rank high on the maps here. And it looks like here you all are, but we certainly want to get you up here. So the next thing is going to be backlinks, and backlinks have a lot to do with this section. This is called the organic section, and the way that backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your site, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you did some work with someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided to take a link from their site and send one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream, so it's not going to be very helpful. You would want to get links from other CBD companies, other hemp companies that send a link back to your site and signal to Google that that is the industry that you're in. That's going to be a lot more unique, but also more powerful in Google's eyes because it is relevant to your industry. And I pulled up one of the tools that we use here just so I can give you more of a visual representation. So it's showing that currently you all have 11 referring domains, which are giving you 14 backlinks, getting you found for 162 keywords, and that's driving about 9 people to your site per month. And now here is one of the top competitors. They have 162 referring domains, giving them 7.39 thousand backlinks, getting them found for 485 keywords, and that's driving about 263 people toward their site each month. So let's take a look and see if we can see the keywords that this company is using. And we're looking for buyer intent keywords. So that's going to be anything that someone is going to think to actually type into that search bar when they're looking for your services. So for example, if someone typed in CBD oil in Huntsville, that would be considered a buyer intent keyword because it's listing the product or the service or the description or the industry, and then it's also listing the specific location that that company is trying to target. So it does not look like this page is going to load, and I apologize about that. But again, another example would be organic CBD. in Alabama. So if you want to target the whole state, which when you're selling products from your actual site and someone's not actually having to go into a physical location, you can target the entire United States if you want to, because all someone has to do is go to your website to get those products. So I hope that that at least kind of gives you an idea. Like I said, I apologize that this page is not loading, but those are the types of things that you would want to integrate into that content on your site. And truly, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places they are. But as we spoke about with the citations, then always adding on to that, that way you're far surpassing your competitors. That's the kind of thing that's going to get you on that first page of Google. But that is all that I have for you today. I do hope that this video was helpful for you. If you'd like to know more information about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please do contact us. We would love to talk to you about that. But thank you again for taking the time to watch this, and you have a fantastic rest of your day.